He left his pregnant wife in a snowstorm to die, but fate sent her a billionaire. Snowy road. A car door slams. A pregnant woman, Ariba, shivers in the snow as her husband, Ramiz, drives away, taillights fading. Ariba, please don't leave me here. Snow falls harder. She collapses, clutching her stomach. Frozen highway. Headlights cut through the storm. A truck stops. A man, Zaryab, rushes out. Warm jacket, kind eyes. Miss, can you hear me? Hang on, I've got you. He wraps her in a blanket, carries her into the truck as snow swirls around. Cabin interior. Ariba screams in pain. Zaryab helps her deliver the baby using first aid supplies. The baby cries. Ariba weeps with relief. You saved us. No, you saved yourself. 1 year later, luxury office. Ariba walks in holding her baby. A sign reads, Zaryab Foundation, for abandoned women. Narrator, emotional. She was left to die in the snow, but rose to melt the world. Share, subscribe, and comment if you believe karma always returns stronger.